What's the meaning of Anthony van Dyck? Anthony van Dyck. Anthony van Dyck. Anthony van Dyck. Anthony van Dyck. Anthony van Dyck.
Anthony van Dyck was a Flemish painter and etcher who is best known for his portraits. He was born in 1599 in Antwerp and trained under the famous painter Peter Paul Rubens. In his early years, he primarily painted religious subjects, but later turned to portraiture. His portraits were highly sought after by royalty and aristocrats throughout Europe, and he became one of the most important portrait painters of the 17th century. Van Dyck's work had a profound influence on portraiture in Europe, and his style was adopted by many subsequent artists.